Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a scholarship essay. This time, I will write an essay entitled Why College is Important to Me. And let me tell you why this essay will be winning. It is because this essay has the ability to weave a compelling narrative that addresses multiple dimensions of the college experience. It goes beyond the conventional discourse on education, offering a nuanced perspective that aligns with the committee's values. This essay exhibits clarity of thought, a strong narrative arc, and a genuine passion for the transformative power of higher education, making it a standout and memorable entry. Interesting, right? Here is step-by-step how to write the essay. In the first paragraph, it is where you do an introduction. Here, you can write about starting the journey. In this introduction, the essay skillfully opens by comparing the pursuit of higher education to embarking on an adventure. This choice of language immediately captures the reader's attention. It is suggesting that college is more than just academics. And it's a transformative journey. And for tips, the use of terms like embarking and odyssey adds a touch of excitement and significance to the college experience. By presenting college as a meaningful and adventurous undertaking, the introduction sets the stage for an exploration of the author's unique perspective on the impact of higher education. Of course, this engaging and relatable approach encourages the reader to delve further into the essay. And here is how you write the introduction. Undertaking the pursuit of higher education holds profound meaning in my life, transcending beyond academic endeavors. For me, college represents not merely an educational institution but a crucible for personal and intellectual growth, an avenue to transform aspirations into concrete realities. And now, in the second paragraph, you can talk about the gateway to dreams. The second paragraph delves into the socio-economic backdrop. It should be establishing the challenges faced in accessing higher education. Of course, by portraying college as the gateway to turning aspirations into concrete realities, the essay resonates with the selection committee's appreciation for individuals who overcome obstacles in pursuit of their dreams. And this is the example of how you write it. Growing up in a modest community, the road to higher education seemed veiled by financial constraints and limited opportunities. Yet, the intrinsic belief in the transformative power of education has been ingrained in me from a young age. College, to me, embodies the gateway to a future where the limits of possibility expand, and dreams take on tangible form. In the third paragraph, you can then start to share the idea of intellectual exploration. Here, the second paragraph emphasizes the importance of intellectual exploration in college. For tips, beyond the mere acquisition of knowledge, the essay should highlight the development of critical thinking skills and a lifelong love for learning. Why? Because this aligns with the committee's interest in individuals who value education not as a means to an end, but as a continuous journey of intellectual growth. Sounds cool. And here is how you write it. One pivotal reason why college is indispensable to my journey is the opportunity for intellectual exploration. Engaging with diverse disciplines and ideas cultivates a broadened perspective that extends far beyond the classroom. College is not just about amassing knowledge. It's about nurturing critical thinking, curiosity, and a lifelong love for learning. In the fourth paragraph, you may talk about personal development and resilience. The fourth paragraph delves into the personal development aspect of college life. It positions college as a crucible for character development. It should be emphasizing the cultivation of resilience and essential life skills. Make sure it resonates with the committee's desire to recognize candidates who understand the broader impact of higher education on personal growth. And here is the example how to write it. Equally vital is the avenue for personal development that college offers. It is a realm where independence and responsibility intertwine, shaping character and resilience. Navigating the challenges of higher education instills not only academic prowess, but also essential life skills, preparing individuals for the dynamic landscape beyond graduation. In the fifth paragraph, this is where you talk about forging connections in global perspective. This paragraph needs to emphasize the importance of college as a nexus for forging connections and developing a global perspective. Of course, it is necessary that it underscores the value of diversity and collaborative learning environments. Why? Because this aligns with the committee's interest in individuals who appreciate the interconnectedness of the world and seek to contribute to a global community. And here is the good sample of the paragraph. Furthermore, college serves as a nexus for forging connections and networks that extend well beyond the campus grounds. The collaborative environment propels individuals into a tapestry of cultures, backgrounds, and ideas, fostering a global perspective indispensable in today's interconnected world. In the sixth paragraph, what about sharing the idea of economic investment and contribution to society? Of course, you need to articulate the economic aspect of attending college as an investment in the future. It positions higher education as a strategic move towards financial stability and a means to contribute meaningfully to society. And make sure this resonates with the committee's focus on individuals who understand the broader socio-economic impact of education. Let's check the example. Economically, college is an investment in the future, a strategic move towards financial stability and upward mobility. It opens doors to opportunities that might otherwise remain closed, providing the tools necessary to contribute meaningfully to society. And the last paragraph, this is where you write your essay conclusion. The concluding paragraph needs to encapsulate the holistic essence of the essay. It should be reiterating that college is not just a destination but a transformative odyssey. By expressing a profound commitment to embracing an enriching expedition, the essay leaves a lasting impression on the committee. And make sure it is conveying genuine passion for the transformative potential of higher education. Let's check the example. In essence, the significance of college transcends the conventional narrative of a degree. It symbolizes a transformative odyssey, an expedition that intertwines academic excellence, personal growth, and the pursuit of dreams. College is not just a destination, but a catalyst for realizing the full spectrum of human potential. As I stand at the threshold of this academic endeavor, I am not merely seeking a degree. I am embracing an enriching expedition that will shape the narrative of my life. Now your scholarship essay sounds cool. So, that's how you write a scholarship essay step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.